Hey there, fellow plant enthusiasts! Are you struggling to keep your indoor jungle thriving? Well, you might be surprised to learn that sometimes it's not just about what your plants need, but also what they don't like. In today's video, we're going to explore the 10 things that plants absolutely hate. Stick around to ensure your green buddies are living their best life. Let's start with a classic mistake: overwatering. While it's tempting to shower your plants with love, too much water can lead to root rot and other issues. Learn the signs of when your plants actually need hydration, and you'll be golden. Next up, direct sunlight. Believe it or not all plants are sun worshippers. Some prefer a bit of shade or indirect light. Make sure you know your plant's preferences to avoid sunburn and wilting. Drafts and cold air, the silent killers of indoor plants. Keep your green buddies away from chilly windows and doors during the winter months to prevent stress and damage. Plants need their personal space too. Overcrowding can lead to competition for nutrients and light, resulting in stunted growth and unhappy plants. Give them room to breathe, and they'll thank you for it. Choosing the right pot size is crucial for plant health. A pot that's too small can restrict root growth, while one that's too large can lead to waterlogging. Find the perfect fit for your plants to ensure they have room to flourish. Poor drainage is a recipe for disaster. Without proper drainage holes, excess water can accumulate at the bottom of the pot, leading to soggy soil and root rot. Always opt for pots with drainage and use a well-draining soil mix. Don't turn a blind eye to pests. Whether it's pesky aphids or sneaky spider mites, these critters can wreak havoc on your plants if left unchecked. Keep a close eye on your green friends and take action at the first sign of trouble. Consistency is key when it comes to watering your plants. Fluctuating between drought and flood can stress them out and lead to wilting or yellowing leaves. Establish a watering routine and stick to it for happy, healthy plants. Did you know that tap water can contain chemicals like chlorine and fluoride that are harmful to plants? Consider using filtered or distilled water, or let tap water sit out overnight to allow the chemicals to dissipate before watering. Last but not least, don't forget to dust your plants. Dust buildup on leaves can block sunlight and hinder photosynthesis. Give your plants a gentle wipe down every now and then to keep them looking their best. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy planting!